Hey guys, I'm Chef Olivia Burt and I'm going to be going through my pork tacos. And I'm going to be using my santoku knife to prep most of the veg, and I might have a little go with the petty as well for some of the kind of smaller greener vegetable items. So what I've got is just some kind of blue masa corn taco shells. You can use white ones, totally up to you, and a piece of pork belly which has already been cooked, and then we're going to glaze it in just some pork sauce really. It's really, really easy. You can replace the pork if you don't have it with prawns, you can replace it with chicken, you can replace it with salmon, basically any other meat. I'm just going through the kind of what I would put inside the taco shell. So I've just got loads of different kind of vegetables around. I'm going to first of all slice up some peppers. You can replace this with chili if you want to. I'm just going to do some really nice fine slices of the red pepper. It's just going to add like a bit of freshness into the tacos. And some carrot. And then I'm going to add a little bit of lettuce into our tacos just for a little bit of crunch. I mean, here you can kind of put anything inside the tacos. I like to just use lots of different colours to make them kind of vibrant and fresh and healthy. I'm going to use these little smaller leaves from the inside. So these are the kind of jobs that I would use the petty for. It's a little bit smaller. It allows you to kind of have a little bit more control over the knife for smaller kind of tasks. Then I'm also going to add some spring onions in there, just for a little bit of freshness in the end. Again, I'm using the petty for this. It's quite nice just to take advantage of the kind of small movements in a smaller blade. It just allows me to have a lot more control over the ingredients. And then I've also got some pieces of aubergine, and I'm just going to finish to prep these. It's cut into pieces. And then we can go on to prepping the pork belly. So with this, because I've got a nice piece of meat and it's going to be a little bit more tricky to cut through, and I've got some fat, so it's going to be a bit greasy, I decided to go for my Guto, my chef's knife, because it's bigger and it gives me more control to kind of cut through. And get some really nice portions out of that. And so now we're basically onto the kind of cooking element. So I've got a pan that's preheating on the stove, and we can basically just heat up the pork belly. We're looking for some nice colour on the outside, nice bit of crispy fat, just to add loads of flavour to our tacos. We've got our pork belly just cooked, I've got the aubergines in there. I'm just going to season up some of the vegetables with just a little bit of lime juice and some salt. And then I'm just going to portion the pork so it's going to fit into And to dress them, I'm just going to put some of the leaves in the bottom, just to give it a little bit of freshness. And then we can go into the belly. And there are my pork belly 3 master tacos with some dressed